So in this one hallway, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of these doorknobs. Okay, so that bedroom door no longer has one. She would really like one. Their bathroom now has toilet paper in the hole because they don't want people seeing them in their bathroom, even though it doesn't even close. This daughter's knob still works, which is great. This doorknob had to be reversed. As you can see, it works perfectly fine from this angle. You see the knob on the other side is not turning. This one does not change this at all. So when you're inside the bathroom, which is where this one was, yeah, you get locked in the bathroom. Anyway, that is my review.
And if you do it fast, I don't know, it's just really loud compared to our other door handles. These are like whisper quiet. So see that comparison? It's like super loud door. I don't know, it's just really loud. That's nice.